Morning guys. This morning we're just going to give you a quick tour of our cage setup. So first of all, you can see on the ground here I have an ice cream bucket with an assortment of things like lids and just toys and balls and stuff. George and I have been playing with this on the floor. All baby's toys have been cleaned up. We have a towel on the floor here because this is the main spot where he actually, if they're hanging off the edge of their perch, they poop there. So it's just to help keep it all clean. And we've got an old budgie stand there to help them climb up. So this is our big double cage that we use. And at the moment in this side we actually have Chesney, our son Konya, and Ivy hanging out. This is normally Ivy's side. So as you can see in here, we've got things like the long boing ropes that she can climb up and down. Now there is a toy at the back there that's broken. I'm not going to keep that too much longer because that can actually, it can cause danger to them and they can hang off it and stuff. This little toy here, they absolutely love. So I've been switching over to stuff that mainly has chain now. Okay, another toy we've got here is this foraging toy. So again, just hanging by a chain. You can lift it up and you can put nuts and stuff in it. And this is one of George's favourite things. Okay, we have another foraging toy over here which is a little bit harder to get into. They haven't cracked that one yet. And little things like that acrylic toy behind Ivy, she absolutely loves. This thing here is completely annoying. It's meant to be Macaw proof and you press the buttons and it talks. So that's one of the things we did get for them. I don't know how well it works. It drives us batty, to be honest. Inside here we also have a swing. Okay, and there's some various toys and stuff hanging from the bottom of it that they love to play with. The chain did used to have stuff all over it, but it's all come off now. George, stop. Okay, over here, typical, you've got your water dish. We have a feeder here with the seed as well. And over here I also keep seed. And in the container there I usually have your fresh fruit and veg. So now if we go over to George's side. Okay, George would like to show you that he has his food section. So he's got his normal seeds and Macaw nuts there. I've given him a couple of nuts this morning, so he wants to show off that. George has a swing as well. So these bells on the bottom are really great because they can't chew out the little bottom bit and choke on it. And there's lots of chew stuff on that as well. Another really simple one is measuring spoons. Like, they love measuring spoons. Okay, and of course I've got my Birdie Bizzo toy here that I got from Michelle recently. Another basic, you can just get baby rattles and baby toys and stuff and hang those and they absolutely love them. Don't you, George? Okay, stuff like this. If it's not on the floor, I sometimes stick it up the top. And then we have a rope which we will need to replace because this stuff gets dangerous and they can get tangled in that. So I wanted to show you guys this. If you ever get that sort of thing happening, you need to get a pair of scissors and actually chop that off before it gets too dangerous. But the rope is attached to our bird stand. So the bird stand's got a little section by the window. I usually have a bit of fruit and veg in there and in their tray. I often put fresh bottle brush in here as well for them to chew. So there's lots of different layers to that. And then of course next to their little stand, I've got a little table and it always has fresh water in it because they like to come and have a bath in that. And of course this is right near our couches, which are regularly changed over with the cloth, and that way they can come and interact with us all the time as well. So there you have it. So that's our cage setup. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button and share this around. And definitely if you've got any queries, leave them in the comments for me.